If you're seeing a gray screen on Discord, here's how to fix it. First, you need to go ahead, open your task manager, right-click on the Windows icon in the bottom left corner, then open Task Manager. Here, find Discord in this list if you're using the app. Right-click on it and then tap on End Task. Next, open the Run dialog, or you can simply search for Run application and open it. Now from here, simply type in %app_data% and hit enter on your keyboard. From this page, you need to go ahead and select Discord file, right-click on it and select delete. Then finally reopen Discord and it will restart and re-download, which should definitely help you resolve the gray screen issue. And then you can log back in. But in the case if you're using your personal computer or laptop, you can try using the web version of Discord, that is discord.com. You can use any web browser on your computer and log into your Discord account from the web and start using. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.